Hello everyone, welcome back to our MAVEN Techno Solution channel. If you are a beginner to learn this Linux and DevOps tools, you are in a right place, in a right channel. So in the entire course, we will going to cover all the DevOps tools. To learn this DevOps tools, the basic requirement is Linux. So that's why we have started our course on first Linux part. So around 23 lectures we covered. So in 23 lectures, we covered around up to 6 topic and even 7 topic. In 7 topic today also we will going to cover the 7th topic, that is creating users and a group. Okay, so up to 23 lecture we covered introduction to the Linux part, Linux directory structure, basic commands, VIM editor commands, and hard link and soft link commands, and file compression and file extraction commands. Okay, all these topics we already covered. If you are not aware about all these commands and topics, please go through all the lectures and do yourself practical. If you have any doubts, please send a mail to us. I will provide my mail ID in the description description. Okay, so in the today lecture we will going to cover creating a last lecture we covered creating a user and how to delete the user. So in today lecture we will create another user and we will try to log in the user, and we will check that what are the permissions that user is having, and we will add that user and we will create a group, and after that we will add that user to the group. Okay, we will see in this today lecture. Okay, so in last lecture we saw that how to create the users and how to delete the users. Okay, these things already we saw that. So in today lecture we will see that how to create a group. First we will see how to create how to log in the created user. Okay, so we will log in through that user and what are the permissions that user is having. Okay, these things we will see, and after that we will see that how to create a group and renaming the group. Okay, so yeah, we will start practical. Fine, I will log in. Okay, so what I will do, I'm not a root user, I'm logging as a Siva user. So you can identify through this dollar symbol. If you are a root user means it will show hash symbol here. Here it's showing dollar symbol means you are not a root user. So I need for, if you are not root user means you need to use sudo. Okay, I will create one more user and we'll switch to that user and we'll try to log in. Okay, sudo, that is user add. I will create a user as a Rama. Okay, hit enter, and what we'll do, we will give a password to this Rama user. Okay, when we'll log in as a Rama, so it should ask a password. We need to give a particular password to the particular user. So how to give a password to that user? With this command sudo. Okay, before that you can confirm whether this user is created or not. How? Do cat etc ask.wd, hit enter. You can see that in the bottom of this line, so the Rama user is got created. Okay, so fine, I will scroll up the screen, that is hold the control and click on L, control plus L, it will scroll up your screen. Okay, sudo passwd, okay, and the username. So it will generate a password for this Rama user. Okay, so hit enter. Okay, you can give the password for this user. I will give 123. Okay, whichever password you want. So it's a bad password. So whenever in real time when you will work, so if you are giving a particular password to that user means you need to give a strong password that should be involved with a capital letter, small letter, and characters and digital numbers, digits and all, and a special character also, and symbols. Okay, and I will confirm this password 123. For example, I'm giving a normal password 123. Hit enter. Okay, password is updated successfully for this Rama user. So now what I will do, I will switch to this user. Okay, so I'm using Ubuntu system. In VirtualBox I installed this Ubuntu system. So here you can go through go through here, the end of your window, corner of your window, and click on this power button, and here in the downside you can see the switch user. You can click on that. Okay, now you can see here I'm restarted my system. Now you can see here our user is got created here, so it's appeared in your window. So I will log in as a Rama user. So I will give the password 1 2 3. Okay, now you are logging as a Rama user, but Rama user is a normal user. Rama user, he doesn't have the much permissions. Okay, so he has a he is a just user. We didn't given any permissions to this user. You can check here. So I will just open the file. So it will show a message, permission is denied. So you can't open the all admin files, because Rama is just a normal user. Okay, there is some issue in the system. Now you can see here in the background. So this normal user, he won't have the other files whatever the normal the main admin user is having. So you can see in the background. So due to some error issues, so I just closed the system, and again I restarted and login as a normal Shiva user. Actually it's a very old system. It's got a little bit hang and got stuck there. So that's the reason I just closed this virtual machine, and again I'm restarted. I'm logging as a Shiva user. So previously when I was click on this file, so it's throwing some error and the file is unable to open. So and when we open this file, so in the background we saw that we are not unable to see these all files, because these all are admin, these all files are related to admin. So admin user can have the access to all these files. So the normal user, he won't have this all permissions. Okay, so you can observe this difference here. So fine. So okay, what I will do, so we'll create one group. Okay, so and for this group, what we'll do, we'll rename the group. Okay, so and after that we'll try to add some users and to the group. Okay, these things we'll see. Okay, so I hope that previous one that login as an user, and if the user is having file permissions or not, those things I hope you got understood. So if you are having any doubts, please send a mail to us. Okay, or we will respond back to your query. Okay, fine. So I will open my terminal. So I will create a group. How to create a group? That is sudo group add and the group name. I want to give the group name as dev. Okay, so hit enter. Okay, dev group is created. Now you can check that whether the group is created or not. How? Cat etc and the group. Okay, in this path you can check the group name. So now you can see here the group is got created here. Okay, so how to delete the group? Okay, now we saw that how to create the group. Okay, so we'll if you want to delete this group, how to delete this group? Sudo group del, that is delete, and the group name. Hit enter. Okay, now you can check cat etc group. Okay, now you can see the previously the dev group is existing here. Give me a minute, I will scroll up the screen. Okay, previously dev group is existing here. After performing the delete command, group delete command, now we did again cat for the group directory. Okay, now you can see I'll scroll down. Okay, now the that dev group is got deleted. Okay, so I hope how to create a group and how to delete and how to log in as a user. So I hope you understood these all commands. So I can cover renaming the group and all. So if I cover means it will be more lengthy video and you will get confused also. So better than that, so we'll cover those things in a next class. So up to now you can practice yourself, and if you have any doubts and queries, please send a mail to us. Mail ID in the link in the description. Okay, so you can send a mail to us and we'll respond back to your mail. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you learned something new in today's lecture. Follow all the lectures and video, and don't forget to do like and subscribe. If you feel this video is helpful, please share with your friends and colleagues. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.